Mat.
Mat. A small rug or floor covering.
Cat. Cat.
A small domesticated carnivorous mammal.
Rat.
Rat. A small rodent with a long tail.
Bat. Bat.
A flying mammal with wings.
Pat. Pat. To lightly touch or tap with the hand. Dad. Dad. Informal term for father. Sad. Sad. Feeling unhappy or sorrowful. Mad. Mad. Feeling angry or insane. Nap. Nap. A short sleep during the day. Bag. Bag. A container for carrying items. Tag. Tag. A small piece of paper or plastic attached to an item. Wag. Wag. To move from side to side or shake. Lag. Lag. To fall behind or move slowly. Jag.
Jag. A sharp or sudden projection.
Drag. Drag.
To pull along forcefully or with difficulty.
Flag. Flag. A piece of cloth with a distinctive design. Rag. Rag. A piece of old or torn cloth. Sag. Sag. To droop or sink downwards. Brag.
Brag. To boast or talk with excessive pride.
Clam. Clam.
A type of shellfish with two hinged shells.
Slam. Slam. To shut forcefully or with a loud noise.
Ram.
Ram.
A male sheep.
Spam. Spam. Unsolicited or unwanted emails. Dam. Dam. A barrier built to hold back water. Ham. Ham.
Meat from the upper part of a pig's leg.
Jam. Jam.
A sweet spread made from fruit.
Scam. Scam.
A fraudulent scheme or trick.
Flap. Flap. To move up and down or wave rapidly. Snap. Snap.
To make a sudden, sharp cracking sound.
Trap. Trap.
A device used to catch animals.
Clap. Clap.
To strike the hands together to make a sound.
Lap. Lap. The upper part of the legs when sitting. Gap. Gap. An opening or space between two things. Cap.
Cap. A type of head covering.
Zap.
Zap. To strike with a sudden burst of energy.
Tap. Tap. To strike lightly or make a gentle knocking sound. Map. Map.
A visual representation of an area.
Scrap. Scrap.
A small piece of leftover material.
Slap. Slap. To hit with the palm of the hand. Slag. Slag. Waste or residue from metal smelting. Wham. Wham.
A loud, sudden impact or noise.
Quack. Quack. The sound made by a duck. Stack. Stack. To arrange in a pile or heap. Black. Black.
The color of darkness or absence of light.
Track. Track. A path or route. Hack. Hack. To cut roughly or with irregular blows. Sack. Sack. A large bag typically used for carrying items. Back. Back.
The rear surface of something.
Rack. Rack. A framework for holding or storing items. Jack. Jack. A device for lifting heavy objects.